where we will make the clones of the shape. There is a shapes. We will make the clones of it. I will try the different options. We have to make it another structure. Also add different designs. Find the shapes here. We will try the different designs as well. We have to add it